again, kick pass. Looking to pick out Le Bourgeois. Oh, claimed instead by Penny. He's read that beautifully. Penny sets off, and he has one man to beat, and he'll feed it inside to Wacokecoke. Absolute security and selflessness. Plucks it out of the air in front of him, and once he's there, it's going to be really difficult. Gopeth gets over, but look at the timing of this pass and the realisation, the communication for Wacokecoke just leaves it into the space for him. Great manipulation of the defender, steps back on him, makes him stand still so that he can't recover.
Coming for Drummond again. Fergus Burke now showing the ball. Just out from the 22, quickly away more, and a lovely ball. Sevu Reece puts the seal on it. Brilliant try.
But then the switch back to the right, the quick speed from the breakdown. Goody picked it up, flicked it across. The minute they got into Sevu Reece's hands on Finley Christie, it was all over, and so's the game.
Yeah, look, the reality is that they were down on numbers, down to 4.
By Christie, Sotutu on it goes. Heem's been good. Robinson charging down the top. They gets a great ball away. Sotutu's in. Well, that's a great try for the Blues. Well.
Heem as well, just before the defender. Good charge from Robinson. How about that for a ball? And Sotutu, with all his speed, finishes. The Blues, they're not out of it yet.
No, and when you got nothing to lose, keep the ball alive. Look at that from Robinson. A speculator and Sotutu, they've had limited opportunities, some of these.
Quick ball required here, and they do get quick ball. Laumapi goes wide for Rayasi, and Rayasi's over. Break strings.
How good! And again, Ngani Laumapi, he's known for his carrying. And look at this kick. Is it pin perfect? No. But is it Ngani Laumapi developing his skills? Yes. And Salesi Rayasi over.
Well, they know he's got hops. That's the thing, though, Kane. He knows that man on the edge can go up higher than the other man. So Rayasi punches out, and look at him. He is an absolute freak.
Now the ball swung away. Blackwood. Yes. Sliding through is Rayasi. He gets 2, and the Hurricanes get a bonus point try.
Salesi Rayasi has arrived. There's been so much talk about him at Mitre 10. You have Ngani Laumapi showing skills that you haven't seen, and now Salesi Rayasi has 2 tries.
That's just power rugby from the Hurricanes, especially from forwards. And look at that back ball from James Blackwell. Absolutely brilliant timing. No way the defence can drift off.
Nagare, Barrett, Hawkins. Nagare again, Barrett, Nakamura, short ball, Kerevi, straight through, try number 2 for Suntory.
Defending, and then we just bite in, and Kerevi one-on-one, right foot step. That comes all the way back from Tavita Lee, catching the high ball that was put up by Nagare. And they are just in a different league at the moment, Suntory. This is a training ground try from them.